Hello guys, in this quick video, I'm going to show you how to stop pop-up ads on Android. This problem happens sometimes when you try to download an app from a sketchy website. Instead of giving you the app, they upload these pop-up ads as an app. And when you install it, you keep getting ads on your phone from time to time. These ads are annoying as it can appear anywhere, even when you are gaming. So, to stop these ads, simply go to your settings, then apps, and then scroll all the way down till you see an app that doesn't have any name or icon. Delete it. That's all you have to do. The ads pop-up will stop immediately. No need to reboot. I hope this video helps you. Thanks for watching.